Established in 2009, this year marks the 10th anniversary of its founding. With 13 overseas branches in the USA, Japan, Canada, Taiwan, Thailand, Australia, and Russia for 10 years, it has grown into a global distribution company with 5 million members and won the top prize of $70 million export for the first time in the domestic industry. Hamohim, one of the best hits in the domestic network marketing industry, has annual sales of more than 100 billion won for 5 consecutive years since 2014. Absolute Cell Active Skincare has sold 4.8 million as a single product in 1 year and 5 months since its launch in September 2017, and reached sales of more than 160 billion won. The toothbrush sold about 30 million copies per year, and the toothpaste with more than 100 million cumulative sales. Atomy sells over 400 varieties of products that are loved by consumers. Starting from a shabby office in Sadongdong, Seoul, where A4 paper was used as a signboard for 2009, with the wishes of all employees and members who want to become hubs of global distribution, moved its office to Gongju, Chungnam on November 16, 2013. In November 2014, we purchased the prefecture site to build a new office building and training facility. We have completed the construction in Gongju City, Chungnam Province in April 2019. The new office and training facility built in the clean forests of Gongju helped employees to dissolve their creative thoughts in their work. At Atomy, depending on the project, you can flexibly set up an optimal team to suit your needs. So the office is designed as a space to realize the efficacy and creativity of the employees without being bound to the format. There are facilities such as swimming pool, gym, coffee shop, and etc. Due to the weekly seminar held at the Dream Hall, a 1,500-seat auditorium located at the new headquarters, more than 100,000 members visit Gongju every year. And it is expected that Atomy will greatly contribute to the development of the city and the revitalization of the local economy. Last 10 years, we have built a foundation as a global distribution company, and awaiting 100 years for a new starting in a new office building, Atomy will take this step further. As a global, top-notch distribution company and a 100-year enterprise.